name and you can play. Okay, thank you for explain for how for register to start for playing the game. But just okay, I can try next time. Thank you for the suggestion to me to try the game Roblox. Ruyi Care Center, where you come from? Where you come from, Ruyi? May I know you come? But by our age, you might not be able to enter a few games. Oh, okay, understand. Oh, uh, you mean some game by level for age. Thank you. Thank you for explanation about game Roblox. Wow, amazing. Game Roblox cut the level for age. Selamat datang kepada yang mana baru hadir. Tuan-tuan boleh buat pertanyaan lah, sebarang pertanyaan berkenaan tentang enjin ataupun kotak gearbox. InsyaAllah saya akan jawab pertanyaan tuan-tuan. This is my first time for open for live. Selamat datang kepada tuan-tuan. Suara saya jelas tak? Saya takut saya cakap sorang-sorang, takut suara saya tak jelas. Sebab dua kali saya buat live ada sangkut-sangkut sikit. Kadang ada video tak rekod. Keluar suara saja. Ruyi Care Center. Selamat datang saya ucapkan kepada yang baru hadir.